Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening the Google Play app and tapping your profile to find play points. Enroll immediately if you haven't already. Once enrolled, link a payment method and verify your country and payment profile so points can accrue. Then, make a qualifying purchase or install promotional apps to trigger crediting. Small purchases and subscriptions count. You'll see tier progress and points balance update in the Points Hub. Check it after each transaction to confirm you earned what you expect. Once you have points, open the Play Points page and review available rewards so you choose the best value for your goals. To redeem, pick a reward, confirm the cost in points, and follow the on-screen steps. Redeemed items may require a final confirmation or immediate use. Make sure to factor in tier multipliers because higher tiers award extra percent points on purchases. Use that to time larger buys. Also track expiry dates for some rewards so you don't lose value. To finish, prioritize redeeming points for high-return rewards such as Google Play credit or large in-app bundles rather than small low-value items. Make sure to keep purchase receipts and note transaction ID because you may need them if points fail to post. If points don't appear, first update the Play Store and clear its cache, then sign out and sign back in. If that fails, contact Google support with your receipt and transaction ID for investigation. That usually resolves posting errors quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.